Today I'm going to show you how to make custard. You will need 200 millilitres of whole milk, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl to your egg yolks, add your sugar and your corn flour and mix until well combined. Then in a saucepan over a low heat, add your milk and your vanilla and mix until well combined and it is warmed through. You don't want the milk too hot because when you add the eggs it will scramble it, so you just want it at a nice body temperature. Then add your egg yolk mixture, stirring really well as you add it, and you should notice that it thickens up fairly quickly. And just keep stirring until it has thickened up. If you're anything like me, you may slightly scramble your eggs as you add the egg mixture to the milk. If you do this and you end up with little bits, just pop it through a strainer to remove any of those bits. And there you have it. That's how you make custard.